Celene if you're new, and if you're not, thank you so much for coming back to view more content. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Okay guys, so today's video is all on this makeup look. As you know, Valentine's Day is approaching, so I wanted to put together a cute little flirty pink Valentine's Day inspired look for you guys. And this is the turnout. I think it looks pretty cute. We got just a few little products that from Ulta over the weekend, and I just contributed them into this look. But yeah, so if you're interested in this video and want to see how I achieved this cute little flirty look, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so jumping right into the video, I've already gone ahead and applied my eyebrows. You know, I just go in with a little generic pencil from the hair store in a dark brown color, and then I always go in with LA Girl Pro Concealer in Espresso and just carve out underneath my eyebrows. For this look, I went ahead and bought a few items, not too many, so don't get excited, but I just got a few new products. Two things that like I usually never do or had never done when doing my makeup is use a primer or use foundation. So I recently started using foundation, as you've seen in my past makeup videos. I mean, I've always kind of had it, but I just like never used it. And then also primer. So over the weekend, I went to Sephora and I got this milk primer just in a sample size because I don't know how I'm gonna like it. I definitely have drier skin. When I was there, I asked the lady, it was between this and the Fenty primer, and she honestly was like, girl, they're both bomb. You can just take your pick. Everything Fenty's good, but she was like, a lot of people rave about the milk primer as well. And I've seen this in a few people's videos and they say good things about it as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with this. And as far as what's already on my face, I washed my face, put a little of my moisturizer on, and then I have some of the Mario spray. I'm putting this out. I mean, obviously, if I do like this, it feels a little sticky, but I mean, it doesn't feel bad. So next, since this is a little Valentine's Day look, I wanted to get some pinks and some colors pop in. You know, they're a little out of my comfort zone. I don't usually do no colors like that. I have started to use that little like reddish color that's started to be my go-to, but I just got this little I Heart Revolution chocolate cherry palette. It seems very much drugstore. I don't know anything about this brand, but it was from Ulta, so there's some different pops of pink and some neutrals in there, so I don't really know what I'm going for. We're just gonna see. I love taking the plastic off new mirrors. Okay, so first things first, I'm just gonna go in with a blending brush. I'm using my Morphe palette, the 9C Jewel palette. I'm just gonna dab a little bit of this orangey color just to get a transition shade going. So Valentine's Day is this week. Comment below what you have planned, whether that be with bae, some gal pals, or just chilling alone. There's nothing wrong with that. We don't have anything too extravagant planned. We're probably just gonna go to dinner. Maybe something small after that, I don't know. It's funny that it's on a Friday, almost like all the holidays this year, including me and my boyfriend's birthdays. They're all on the weekend. It should be a good time. I'm kind of scared for these colors. I think I'm just gonna go for it. I think I'm gonna go for this bright pinky color. Let's experiment. And this is the Juvia's Place Saharan Volume 1 palette. Okay, so now that I have that pink all over, I'm just gonna go in with another blending brush. I'm just gonna attempt this because these colors look like they're really not gonna be that pigmented, but I'm gonna go in with this ripe color, and on camera it looks brownish, but it's like a kind of brown, but it has purple undertones to it, so. Okay, now I'm gonna take this little like flat fluffy brush, spray with a little Fix Plus so I can try to pick up the color. Probably gonna go in with the brightest little shimmery, or maybe a mix of these two. It's bright, but I'm like not mad at it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a clean blending brush and just kind of make sure all that is good and blended in there. Get rid of any harsh lines. I'm gonna go apply lashes and eyeliner off camera, and I think that it'll tie everything together. Okay, y'all, so I am back with lashes and adjusted lighting. So let's go ahead and move on to face. Still currently using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD. I'm just spraying this down. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and conceal with the Makeup Forever HD concealer as well. So I'm just gonna go right in and blend this out. Okay, so we're blended down, and now we are going to go in with another new product that I've got, which is the Fenty Pro Filter Setting Powder. And I got this in Chestnut. So we're gonna see how this does for me. Smells kind of good. So just going in with a clean buffing brush. I'm just okay, and next I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Matchstick and Espresso. Alrighty, and so now I'm going to go over that contour with the Juvia's Place palette again in Abby. I'm just gonna go over those areas I just contoured. And down the bridge of my nose with that as well. Always going with powder. Makeup Forever again. I'm gonna press into those areas that I concealed. Okay, and so our last few touches are going to be a little blush, which we're actually gonna use the color that we used on our eyes. And some highlights. Wait, do you see all the glitter that just, oh my God, wait, it's kind of cute. Okay, last but not least, we're going to wrap up with lips. I'm just going to wipe off any of the foundation or concealer. Just going in with a MAC pencil in this burgundy shade. Alright, we're gonna go in with Tarte lip gloss. And then a little color on top. A little mascara on the bottom lashes. Okay, I'm just gonna back up a little because I feel like the lighting is a little too bright. But yeah, here is the finished look. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. I think it looked kind of cute, you know what I'm saying? I usually don't do colors, so I think I did a pretty decent job. Pink, kind of like burgundy, little plum type of berryish family with the eyeshadow, and then did my regular routine. But yeah, so I think this is a super fun and flirty look, especially for the holiday coming up with Valentine's Day. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy your Valentine's Day. Make sure to comment below what you're doing and what you have planned for that. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.